Hello?
Good morning. This vlog is going to be dedicated to running your own business, the pros and the cons. I run my own business and I have done so for the last 2 years. Prior to that, I was in education for 20 years. I was a head teacher of a primary school and I thoroughly enjoyed it. However, I do prefer running my own business. Running your own business does have its pros and cons. It's one of the best decisions I've made, especially when you look at the education sector at the moment. There's so much going on, so much change, and so much unnecessary stress. So here are my top 3 pros and cons for running your own business. Independence. There is no one to answer to. You get to decide when you work, what time you start, what time you finish, what project you want to start. It's entirely up to you. However, the cons are, being independent means that you make the final decisions. Everything will fall on your shoulders. It's up to you to decide what is best for your business, and you have to live with the consequences, if there are any. Income. The more and the smarter you work, the more you earn. There's no limit to how much income you can generate. It really depends on your business model. You can travel when you want, you can choose your own hours, and you can manage your own schedule. The cons are that there may not be a stable income coming in. You may not get the luxury of getting a standard income every month. Less stress. Working with others always increases your stress levels, from co-workers, customers, parents, children, bosses. The odds are that some of them won't be easy to work with. When you run your own business or you work for yourself, you decide who you want to work with. And the cons are, well, running your own business means that you have to work. So if a job's not complete, you need to work extra hours. You need to put the hours in to get the job done. However, is that really a con? I hope you found my tips useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.